Learning is important. Knowledge is power. All our lives we are taught about everything that we need to know. We go to school to learn and to prepare ourselves for our adulthood life. But there are certain things that we use in our each and every day. Actually, there's one thing that we use every day, but we were never taught about it at school. And that thing is money. Yes, money. Why money? What is money? How did it become money? Why money? So if you want to have money or you want to manage money well, you need to understand all about money. So that's why today we're tapping into the video and we're discussing money matters. Are you ready? It's getting alpha male experience. So you know what time it is. Let's dive into it. Money. Is this fake money?
My name is Fire, Fury, Power. My name is Legend.
Getting alpha male experience.
What's up, amazing alpha? It's me, your boy Mars 3005, and welcome back to my ongoing segment, Getting Alpha Male Experience, on our YouTube channel, G.A.M.E, the one and only, created to inspire you, to motivate you, to encourage you, to empower and energizing you into a 5-star of an amazing man that you were created to be. So if you are new, this is your right time to subscribe to our channel. Yes, put on the notification by ringing the bell so that you don't miss any of our multiple weekly mainly it's amazing inspiring content. Money matters. Imagine this for a sec. Let's say I give you all the money in the world. What would you buy? You buy yourself a private jet, a yacht, a sports car, or you can go to the club and pop bottles. You're gonna make it rain. The choice is yours. So let's speak about this. What is this? Is this money? No. This is a piece of paper with a picture of a guy and a picture of an animal and written 100. So what is this 100? This 100 is what I call a value agreement. You and we have agreed that this money, this piece of paper is a value of 100. So this does not matter. This is just a piece of paper written 100. So what do you do with it? And what do you do again? Throw it away, because this is not money. So what is money? What is money? How did money become money? Let's go back in time. You want to try and travel back in time before money. Let's go. Before money, how do people used to purchase? You used to bring your goods and I bring my goods. Then we used to do what we call a barter trade. I give you my goods, you give me your goods. That's all. It was all depending on the value of the goods that I'm giving you, depending on the value of your goods you are giving me. That was it. There was no money involved. So, money, how did it get to be money? And how did it get to be money? It's all an illusion. It's all an illusion, and it's all an agreement that you and I did that this is money. It's of a value of 100. It can purchase this kind of item. It can purchase this kind of item. So, wait a second. I think I'm starting to open up my sales skills here. The good part about bartering, it was the evolution of money. This is where people used to start from the stretch to understand how to trade things. So, since we are in time, we need to ask the real question. That piece of paper that we're keeping on chasing, is it money or is it just a paper? After traveling in time, I came to the conclusion that that paper is just a piece of paper with ink. So what is money? Let me explain. Let's say this, I'm selling a notebook. I'm a salesman. You're pitched up into the shop and I'm like, hello sir, welcome. And you're trying to get yourself an amazing notebook today. And you're like, yes sir, I'm looking for a nice journal that I want to write down my stuff and write down my goals. And I'm like, come through sir. This is one of our best and our favorite notebooks. This one is from a company called Switzerland. It is based in Switzerland. This company is the one that makes amazing and best notebooks of all time. These guys are the ones that are making notebooks for all the great minds like Elon Musk, Stephen Hawking, Jeff Bezos, all of the Steve Jobs. They're using the same notebooks to write down all their great visions, all their great minds, and all their great creativeness that comes with it. And if you are to purchase one of our notebooks, it's gonna come with a Parker pen. A Parker pen is one of the most amazing pens in the world, which you're gonna be using to write down your great visions, visionaries, whatever you're gonna be writing down in your journal. But I guarantee you, this is one of the best journals in the world, and one of these journals is going on for $400. So what I'm trying to teach you is what I just said here. It doesn't matter. What really matters is the value that I put in the thing. This journal is just there's a normal journal, like a $2 journal. But the reason why is it $400? The reason why this journal is $400 is all about the value agreement that I trying to agree with you. And how am I trying to agree with the value agreement? I'm trying to agree the value agreement with you putting in value into my item. What am I saying here? What I'm saying is, I told you these companies from Switzerland. Oh, the books are called the Switzerland Company. Oh, the great minds are using the books. Steve Hawkins, Elon Musk. All of this was adding value into the notebook, which is to make you purchase the notebook. Then after I was done of all this pitching up and putting value in my notebook, what did I do last? I gave you a price, and I told you that it's $400. Wow. This is just a $2 notebook. Why is it $400? Because of the value that I put in the thing. Wow. Let's get back into the present time. We are back now to the present. So, how much is the value of this notebook? The value of this notebook is $2. Like $2, bro. So how come we said that this notebook is $400? Because we add the value in it. We put in the value. So what I'm trying to teach you today is the piece of paper. It's just a piece of paper. The value comes inside of you. What you put in the value in each and everything that you might be selling, that you want to purchase, or whatever that you have in yourself, put in the value. If you put in the value, do you know what you just do? You put a price, and do you know what you do? You look away like my homie Gucci does. And that's what money matters today. I hope you learned this small short video on what is money. I had to be creative. I had to make it fun. I just did it for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I know you find it informative. So if you did, don't forget to drop this video like, subscribe to the channel, put a notification, ring a bell. I don't know what I was doing here. I was just trying to share with you what I just imagined with money. I'm not even sure this is true, but what I'm sure is your teacher at school cannot teach you this. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. And if you did, don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel, put a notification, and tell us more about what you think money is, and what do you think about money? Or do you think money is good? Do you think money is evil? What do you think of money, man? Comment right now below and tell us about money, because what I'm thinking right now is money is amazing.